Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with Jay Flores. Today is June 28th and we're going to be analyzing about 6 pairs. Before we do that, I'd like to see news for this week. Very important for you guys to be a disciplined trader. Check for news, and the website that I use is Forex Factory. Let's see, calendar. So we are in the week of June 28 all the way to July 4th. We have some very important news this week, so we gotta be very careful in the markets. So it is possible to trade, just gotta be a little more caution. Use smaller lots. Okay, for Monday, we have, it's very clear for Monday. Yes, so there's no any red carpets. The only one that we see, red folders, sorry. The only one I see right there is CNY, but we don't trade that pair. On Tuesday, though, we have CAT news, Canadian dollar, 5:30 a.m. and also at 9 a.m. we have US dollar, also 8 a.m. So pretty much the Tuesday, it's a very strong news for the dollar. Okay, so we just got to be careful, especially on Tuesday. Wednesday looks pretty clear until the afternoon. Until the very morning, 5:15 a.m. we got red folders. That's ADP, non-farm employment change. That's for Wednesday. And Thursday we have very, very strong average hourly earnings, non-farm payroll change, and employment rate. And then the Friday, well, that it's gonna be bank holiday all day, apparently, too, for the 4th of July, pretty much. So apparently the strong news are gonna be on Thursday. So we'll be very careful. Just wait until after 5:30 a.m. After 7, 8, you can probably start trading to see what the market does and see what the changes are. Normally, these are the most important news of the month for the dollar. Okay, so let me exit out of this and let's look at the markets. I'm just going to analyze about 6 pairs this time. As you know, I'm using the simplicity system. I took off the arrows that I was using for analyzing the markets with the triple arrows. These are triple arrows. This is a new system, simplicity, and I'm going to start using it without the triple arrow so we can get used to it. We have an uptrend and we have a pullback right now on the 4 hour, excuse me. So that pullback started right here and it's confirmed with that triple arrows, went all the way over here. Now we are correcting that, or part of that pullback in our way up. So as you see, I'm going to trade right now, but very, very small lot. It's Sunday, so I'm just barely testing the markets. If you're going to trade Sunday, do it with the very small lots until Monday, Tuesday, but it's not advisable to trade on Sundays. If you're going to do it very small. That is the best way to do it. Okay, so for this week, we expect the market to keep going up. We're probably gonna try to go up to this area over here. I'm gonna do lines right here, but remember the lines are gonna go away. 1 second. Okay, resume back. Like I said, expecting the market probably to go to that area this week. We'll see how the market behaves. Okay, so this system, it won't allow me to have lines because they're gonna go away as soon as I change to another pair. But I can if you want to compare the analysis, you're gonna have to go to see this video next week, and you can make your own. Or maybe you can, while I'm doing the video, you can probably mark your own lines to compare our analysis to see how effective the system is, or the way I do analysis, because it's the system is very effective. Okay, so that's what we're expecting for out NCD. Let's look at CHF JPY. Second pair we're looking for today. Okay, as you can see, the last swing we have right here is an uptrend. We're going in a pullback. Go one more time. This is our pullback right here. This shape. All right, our pullback is indicated in 4 hours. We did just move down. Now we're going in an uptrend, but we have the triple arrows coming down. So I would wait for this, to see if it's going to start going right down there. Let's go to the 1 hour to see how advanced it is. Okay, in the 1 hour, we got triple arrows also. Okay, I will probably wait for this market in the 1 hour too. I will put myself a nice trend line. You don't have to be perfectly, but I put around there. And if you see the market closing below, I will definitely go into the trade going down all the way to this area. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for, this market to come down in the next few days. Maybe we'll go a little bit higher. Maybe we'll start going this descents from that point right there. Just line right there. It is going to go out anyways. So that's for your own information. Okay, Euro GBP. Let's look at the 1 day to see a little bit clearer. Okay, so on the 1 day we had this downtrend. Now we have this giant pullback. Let's see how developed it is on the 4 hour, and we can see that pullback perfectly in the 4 hours. So we're still waiting for the triple arrows to show up. That will be the safest trade for us, to just to wait until the triple arrows show up and this pointing us down. Let's see if in the 1 hour to see if we have it already. We don't have it either on the 1 hour, so that will be the best said for this week. Maybe in the middle of the week we will have triple arrows coming down, and that will be a good trade to come down on the Euro GBP. Yourself just a trend line, just to follow that trend. And what we're waiting is to come down. This breaks, I don't know if it's going to break this area right here. You can break it, or it can just start coming down from there. We'll see how the markets behave, but that is the overall direction of the market. Okay, Euro GBP, Euro CHF. Now, Euro CHF, you're gonna see I have another trade going on. Let's see the overall market. Okay, you can see we have, make it a little bigger. We have an uptrend. Now we're going in this huge pullback. Okay, and on that pullback, we got the market still going down. Let me see in the 1 hour. Okay, make it a little smaller. Okay, in the 1 hour, we had this low right here, and then we got the triple arrows, and I went into that trade right there, and I'm expecting this to go. I had to take profit right there. That's probably going to be safe right there, and but we'll see how the market behaves this week. Let's go to Euro JPY. Okay, let's look at the daily. We're going up. We're going on a pullback. On that pullback, still got the 4 hours coming down. Let's look at the 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour is telling us that 4 hour pullback, it's done, or it's going to be it's going to do a pullback or a correcting this part right here of the market. So we're expecting this on the market for this week, pretty much. This is for the Euro JPY. Keep in mind that this can still come down and then after that go up, but the overall direction should be up after all in general. Let's look at all USD daily, going an uptrend. I'm coming down in a pullback until now, and what I'm thinking the market is gonna do, it's gonna do one, it's doing a second line. You know what, let me use my epic pen here. Maybe I can use the lines real quicker. Waiting for my epic pen to show up. By the way, if you guys are interested in getting this system, it's a great system. You need to learn how to read it. Okay, some people are writing me that it's hard, it's hard to believe that it works that well. Well, it works that well. It's not a scam. It's a legit system. It's a legit company. It offers to do a lot of support. 3 classes every week of live trading. They got signals, they got educational sessions, anything you need to be successful in the market, plus this great system that makes it so easy once you understand the market, how it works and everything. Okay, where's my epic pen? Never showed up. Let me see one more second. Try one more time. If not, we'll keep going. Computer's acting up slow these days. Okay, there it is. Looks like I have it like 3 or 4 times. 1 second, please. Okay, I only need 1. Okay, let me try it. I'm gonna drag it over here. Okay, I hope it's not in you guys' way. Okay, so we're waiting for the market to do that move. Then we got 1, 2, 3. So it is very probabilistic that the market can start going down from that point, or can do one more pullback and then come down. So one of the 2 options right there. Nobody knows exactly what the market's gonna do, especially if it's doing a correction like this. Okay, so let's see what the market does this week, but just be prepared to sell. We're looking for sales on this market. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we're gonna do one more Euro USD. And the Euro USD, we are in a still uptrend, and we start in this pullback right there. Okay, the pullback, we still have some room back, coming down, excuse me. So this week is going to be crucial because we have this move right here. Normally what the market does this moves 1, 2, 3. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, so 1, it already did that move. We are going to wait until the market shows simplicity, triple arrows, and this area over here. This area right here, pretty much. Once we get that, we can go into the market and at least go for that height right there. Okay, so let me get this and erase everything. No comprar ahora. We get the eraser. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for the market to do on Euro USD to go up. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for staying with me in this analysis. I try to do the video a little bit shorter now. So if you're interested in getting into the system, I'm going to leave the link below the video in the description. You just click on that link and it'll take you to the super easy website where you can purchase the system and start studying all the videos. And I can assure you there's no way you cannot be successful with this system. Look what the system did last week. This triple arrows show up right there. They didn't move, they didn't repaint. This one, they stay there. Okay, there's a way to tell on the system when the triple arrows did recalculate or relocate, but that is not a bad thing. We need to have that. If there's a system that it doesn't repaint, I mean, is it a no good system? Okay, and there's a big explanation for that. But look, the system give right here. I'm gonna do a quick analysis on the Euro USD. Okay, 60 pips. Let's say you went to that. Let's say you got 45 pips on that trade. Got another trade right there. We're gonna go back 10 trades. Okay, losers and winners. 40. Got 80 on that one. Maybe you went to that one. 50. We got 90 pips. Only on one pair. You don't need more. That is it's called an evidence dot. What that evidence dot is telling us is that there was a triple arrow once here, but it didn't work out. It didn't work pretty much. Triple arrow was here. It went a little bit high and then went against. Okay, so that didn't work right there. So we got 90 pips so far. This one worked. Okay, this one worked real good. How many pips we got on that one? We're getting 35 pips against, and then we got 80, 74, whatever you think you got, 50 pips, whatever you think you got from there. Okay, so that's 140 pips. Look at this. Okay. Okay, we got an evidence dot right there saying that there was a sell, there was a buy at this point right there, and then that was a loser right there. This one, I think it was a sell. Okay, but it was a little stop right there, sell right there, and then you got this one. And it's in this case it's hard to tell because there's rules that we follow. We don't take every single triple arrow. You know, I'm not gonna tell the rules right now, but I mean, this is a winning system, and it makes a lot of pips. If using on the 30 minutes, it gives you different options. I'm trying to move my system too fast. Let me see. Okay. That one was a winning trade. Obviously, in the 30 minutes, it was a huge trade. I don't know if you got 100 pips off of that. Let's see, if you went to here, you got 100. If you went to that one, 176. Then we had a miss trade right there. Okay, then that was a small winner, big winner right there. So some of the bears work like real magic on some of the time frames. So this is where you got to be testing pretty much. Winner 30 minutes, that was a winner. Giant winners, 3 in a row, small winner. So you name it. The system is incredible. I really recommend it for you. You need to have it. If you're struggling, I repeat, what you're trading, you need to have the system. Okay guys, thank you very much for being with me. I'll try to do another video in the middle of the week to compare our analysis. Thank you so much.